Well, Bob, thinking back, we've had, 2.5 weeks of showers in the afternoon, at least a risk of it, but you're talking in the 7-day, a little bit of a break possibly for a few days.
Yeah, for a few days. It looks like the first part of next week, though, looking thunderstormy.
Yeah, it could be back, so you got to enjoy the little break.
Yeah, it looks pretty thunderstormy this afternoon, too. Pretty quiet around the Boise area, just some really spotty stuff, but a little farther to the east, look at what's bearing down, well, what just bared down on Haley. Pretty good line of thunderstorms. You can see the little crosses there. Those are lightning strikes. The positives, those are positive strikes. It looks like thunderstorms moved through Haley just about a half hour ago or so, and it looks like Cary is about to really get a downpour. So they're getting the wild weather for a change right now. Some afternoon thunderstorms in our forecast. Drier for Friday and Saturday and warm it up. Could see some 90s by the weekend. There's the view outside. When I look out here, I can see some mid-level moisture here, right here, and right here. And that says we have some moisture to work with. And with the heating of the day, we'll have a bit of instability, and then we could see those thunderstorms develop again this afternoon. 65 degrees, winds pretty light at 5 miles per hour, humidity at 54%. Some temperatures across our area, 55 in McCall, 50 in Stanley, 48 in Haley. Most locations here in the 60s in the valley locations. Looking for a high near 76, pretty close to normal for this time of the year. Same thing for the overnight low, pretty close to normal. The records on the state, all of them in the 90s. As far as precipitation, we received yesterday 1/100th of an inch. That's all at the Boise airport, but some locations received some heavy downpours from passing thunderstorms last night. We are ahead by 1/4 of an inch. Satellite map has a low pressure system here in the northern Idaho sections of the Gem State, and rotating around that, this moisture coming up from the southwest, plus this low is going to move down. That will kind of act as a trigger. Plus we have the instability from the moisture, and with the heating of the day, things will get a bit unstable. As far as yesterday's wild weather, here's some storm reports from yesterday. The biggest was the hail that they received down there in Star, about 1.5 inches hail at Floating Feather. And some hail in northwest Eagle last night, about 10:10. Also another report of some hail, not quite as big in Boise. But it looks like the worst of the hail was over in the Star area in Eagle. Here's our water vapor map, kind of an x-ray of our atmosphere, and plenty of moisture coming up from the southwest. And that will help fuel some thunderstorms in the afternoon, according to our futurecast. Here's just before 5 o'clock. And then the shower's not quite as prevalent on Thursday, so we should see sunny skies much of the day. And that will also kick off our warming trend. Still some lingering showers possible on Saturday for our mountain locations. Future radar has the showers developing, especially right around 3 o'clock there, then moving on through between 6 and 8 o'clock, then tapering off with the setting sun. Here's what we have as far as the forecast for you. First off, for the Boise area, we're looking at about a 30% chance of some showers and some thunderstorms, mainly this afternoon and this evening. And then we're looking at a warming trend kicking in. Rain and scattered showers and thunderstorms for the McCall area. McCall's high about 63 degrees. And then that warming trend, 90s possibly as early as Saturday, certainly by Sunday. Then thunderstorms return Monday and Tuesday.